Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty against friends. First, launch your game and head to the main menu. Look for the private match or custom game option, usually found under the Play or Multiplayer section. Once inside, you can select your preferred game mode, like Team Deathmatch or Domination, and then choose a map from the available options. This sets the foundation for your friendly competition. After setting up your private match, it's time to bring your friends in. Navigate to the in-game social menu or your friends list, which is typically accessible from the main lobby. Select the friends you want to invite to your game. Send out the invitations, and once they accept, they will join your private lobby. You can usually invite up to 18 players, depending on the game mode. Now for the fun part, customizing your game. You can adjust a wide range of settings to tailor the experience. Modify parameters such as the score limit, time limit, and even weapon restrictions. You might choose to enable or disable specific perks, kill streaks, or tactical equipment. Don't forget to save your custom game settings so you can easily replay your favorite configurations later. With all your friends in the lobby and your game settings perfectly tuned, you are ready to start the action. Double-check that everyone has joined and that the chosen game mode and map are correct. Once confirmed, simply hit the Start Match button. Get ready for some intense and friendly competition as you battle it out against your friends in your custom Call of Duty match. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.